do is look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities are Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander,
Oh, Shami.
wherever I roam, I couldn't be found.
Hi, baby queen.
Big home.
Do you know what time is it?
Necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife.
It's time to sleep. It's okay. Please give me for a while. This film is so interesting.
That bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander,
Shami, please understand. Sleepless nights will affect your study, so early to bed and early to get up.
home. The bees are buzzing in the
Really?
tree to make some honey just for.
See you. Hey, stop! Stop! Do you know what are you doing?
We are playing?
Oh, what a pity. Can't you see that vehicle's running so fast on the road?
Yes, but we care.
No, no, it's very dangerous playing on the road. A place for everything and everything in its place. I mean, you go to the playground.
Ha, that's right. We never thought of it. Let's go to the playground. Bye-bye, baby queen. See you. Thank you. Shami, Jubana, please switch off the TV. Let's go for shopping.
Yes, we are ready, ma'am.
Please switch off the TV.
Hi, Shireen. Jubana, ensure your security. What? Security? Yeah, I mean your seatbelt.
Yes, we have to tie it.
Hi, Shireen.
Wow!
What are you doing?
I'm throwing the empty packet out.
Why?
This is waste.
No. Don't you know that you are doing wrong? Never throw the waste on the roadsides. We have to keep clean our surroundings. Shameen, you know, environmental cleanliness is just like your personal hygiene.
You're right, baby queen. I'm sorry.
See you.
കുമാരന്റെ രോഗം വളരെയധികം കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഗുരു, അപ്പൊ കുമാരന്റെ രോഗം മാറില്ല?
എനിക്ക് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ എന്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരനെ രക്ഷിക്കണം.
മലകളും താണ്ടി വരുന്നു നീമോ.
ഇതെന്തൊരു ജീവി? നീ ആരാണ്? തട്ടിക്കളിക്കാൻ വാവാ.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ ശത്രുവല്ല, മിത്രമാണ്.
നീമോ നീമാസിന്റെ നീമോ.
എന്താ മക്കളെ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുഖം വല്ലാതിരിക്കുന്നത്?
മരതകപ്പെട്ട് മാറിലണിഞ്ഞ് വാനം നോക്കി ചിരിക്കും ഭൂമി.
ഇതാരാ കൂടെയുള്ള വിചിത്ര ജീവി?
അയ്യോ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഈ പേടകത്തിൽ യാത്ര തുടരാനാവില്ല.
നമ്മുടെ കിച്ചു.
Hi.
Are you smoking?
Yeah, it's just for fun.
Fun? Is it fun? It's a bad habit. Smoking is very, very dangerous. It may cause you death.
This is the first time we smoke.
Hey, big lie.
Yeah, but we can stop whenever we want.
Quite impossible. Once you're addicted, then you can't stop it. So stop it now. Oh my God. May the simple beginning of a bad habit must not be the everlasting habit.
Baby Queen is right. I never smoke. Yes, we too never smoke. Thank you, Baby Queen. We were not aware about it.
Right.